how to make face slim in Photoshop. Now as you can see, I have opened the image here. Now first of all, I'll select Ctrl J and make a copy of this layer. This was the background layer and I have make a copy of it. Now what I'll do is I'll go to this filter option and select liquify. So it has opened, as you can see, a new tab, and basically we have to select this option, face tool. So you can basically slim your face like this. It is really simple. You can basically the smile, change the smile, and I think this is cool. Now it has been okay. So as you can see that this was before and this is after, this before and after. So this is how to make your face slim in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.